In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and handle potential issues in a CSV file using CSV Studio. I have chosen a file from this source. There are 4 files there, moderate size, and the largest of these files has been uploaded to the demo server where it can be used remotely as an example. The first thing that sets CSV Studio apart is that it can parse this file, and it has found 2 errors, but it can still display the content as a table that can be browsed. So let's look at the 2 parsing issues that CSV Studio has found. The first one is towards the end of the file, where 43 columns were found instead of 42. The second one is less serious, and it has to do with the format of quoted strings in column 5. This file comes from a reference authority, and these are real errors you can expect to encounter even with well-curated data. Let's jump to the first error, which was too many columns in a line. The line is highlighted in red, and CSV Studio, to the best of its ability, maintains a spreadsheet format for display. As we scroll through the line, we can see a couple backslash characters, which stands out from the other lines. Here we can see a \n that appears in a column where a license number should be. Then the license number appears in the name column, the name appears in the address column, and so forth. So we can infer that the extra column on this line is the \n character, and it shifts all subsequent columns. Using the panel on the right, CSV Studio shows us the raw CSV source from the file before it was parsed. Commas act as column separators and are highlighted in yellow. There's one too many, which is what accounts for the extra column. To correct this issue, CSV Studio can find and escape the extra separator, which will have the effect of turning the separator into a plain text comma. This correction has been performed. The error is gone and the columns are now aligned correctly. Also note the extra comma appears as plain text in the same column as the \n character. Let's jump to the second error. In the detail view, we can see that this column contains a double quote followed by some letters, a backslash, a double quote, a few more letters, another backslash, a double quote, and another double quote. Most CSV parsers can correctly parse this line by simply treating the \n character as an escape character. So no correction may be necessary here. However, if we need to comply strictly with the RFC 4180 specification, which does not recognize the \n character, we can direct CSV Studio to apply consecutive corrections and properly escape each of the double quotes.